It's a real deal situation getting ready to pop off.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Franco.
Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got pop, the doors closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take them high. Now let's take them high. Back when Gucci was to rock, back when Slick Rick got pop, I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns like, man, these that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on, couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a need alone. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
Yes, yes, yes. Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupin the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but bitter on the verge. Let's slow it down like we're on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word, I'm back on the block like I'm laying on the street. I'm trying to stop lying like I'm Umbra, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche Lupe, cool as the unthought, but I still feel possessed as a gun charge. Come as correct as a pawn star. And the fresh pair of steps and my best phone call. So I represent the first. Now let me end my verse right where the horns are. Like,
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl. Testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
We back at home, baby.
Sky high. I'm 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 sky high. Sky high. I'm sky high.
Yeah, keep it rolling. Yeah. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home.
It's tough. Until then, these niggas gonna get this money.
That's in like every sport though right now.
Basketball, everything.
Basketball worse, yo. You could just tell them niggas.
Doing it for the books.
Man. Cause I love when dudes get their money, but like, when you get so much money, you're not gonna have no urgency to do nothing. Like, James Harden, man. That nigga's making $250 M's, man. That nigga don't got, he don't care about winning a ring.
Hell no. Bitch, I'm already paid.
Exactly.
CTE or not?
Exactly.
CTE or not?
You gonna get some CTE for this $15 million or no, bro? Let me know now, man.
So much. Huh? You can never get past that stage? Yeah, but you're so bad. Record right now.
Ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Yes, sir. On my nuts, I'm palming. Take to the knees and call me in the morning. You should see the way the chain harness and charming. Fly up like a bird, like Nelly Furtado shit. Pop your bottles, toast and scream cheers. Two-steppers is the record of the year. Nigga that brought you ice cream, 2 for a pair. Officially announcing this is warfare. Cause back in the day, my clouds was gray. And it seemed like my angels couldn't blow them away. But then I saw my first bird and copped that NSX. But I was still riding in them thin-ass jets for now. Man, my vision so clear out the window of the Lear. And I'm talking on my celly, all the shit that you should hear. Listen clearly now. Hello? Can I have it like that? 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 So drop your purse and grab your hips and act like you're trying to get this money right quick. So can I have it like that? Can I have it like that? Own it, just be the zone. I control your mind from straight over the phone. Let them explore the words, something like a tourist. I never get addicted unless the heady whop is serious. From Louis Bills to Jimmy Choo's is real. She know what time she sees the Richard Meal. Black double skeletal, turns me on. Just like a body move, it turns her on. She like the way my hands use her body for hand warmers. And all our car doors go up like transformers. See, I can do it this away, I can do it that away. From the crib in Virginia to that new Miami getaway. So cool like new edition, unless she hot as you say. I get it, okay, let it roll away. But please, run along and ladies, it's gonna go. And I got some right after this song. My name's Skate, 4P. Ladies and gentlemen. Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
So drop your purse and grab your hips and act like you're trying to get this money right quick. So can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
So drop your purse and grab your hips and act like you're trying to get this money right quick. So can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
Can I have it like that?
You got it like that.
said I actually took care of my waves this time.
You're right. Wow. Appreciate you, dog. Enjoy your birthday, bro.
Appreciate it, man. I just sent you the bag. Appreciate it.
Already, G.
Shit, I'll be back in like 2